You know that stretch your dog does in the morning? Turns out it's actually a therapeutic exercise we use in veterinary rehab. I'm talking about downward dog, front legs extended, chest dropped towards the ground, hips staying up. It looks effortless, but the benefits are huge. This position dynamically stretches the muscles along the entire spine, the shoulders, and the hip flexors, all areas that get really tight after injury, surgery, or even just with age. It also activates the core and encourages the dog to shift its weight towards their hindquarters, exactly what we want them to do to help rebuild strength and body awareness. For dogs recovering from spinal issues, orthopedic surgery, or even chronic pain, this movement helps restore muscle tone, improves range of motion in a low-impact way. This is Wednesday, and we're working on her downward dog. We're using 2 cones and a pole as props to help guide her into the position. We are trying to lure her nose down and forward with the treat, just enough that the front drops while the back stays up. As you can see, we need a little extra encouragement today, so we move to the front and let her follow the treat from there. And she nailed it. We hold the treat there for a few seconds and reward her afterwards. We do a few rounds of this, and over time we build duration and eventually try to do it without the props. The key is making sure the hind end doesn't drop into a full lie down position. We want that active hold through the entire back half. Simple, natural, and incredibly effective. If your dog does this every morning on their own, they're already doing rehab.